Hey, welcome back. Well, we can see the driveway for the first time in 2 months. Got a little bit of a thaw going on, but we've got a delivery here that's delivering right now. What's inside, Dylan? What's inside? What is it? What's in there? Let's go get the forklift and find out. Ooh. Got a delivery from Soucy. Barely got it out of Canada before Trump shut her down. Our track system for our tractor is here. Tomorrow we will engage installation. It's windy. It's cold again. Got all the parts and pieces moved in here. Let's get opening them up. It's looking like Christmas outside, and it's looking like Christmas inside. All that has to go on there, just so you know. Oh, I found the Guide d'Installation. Probably gonna need the French copy. Formula. Well, we got the front end jacked up. Instructions call for tire removal of the front end. Really can only fit a jack under there, so the center pivot is going to want to pivot. We have to stabilize this somehow with some other jacks. I think that we're at the height that the manual says the new track system will be at, because it is going to be higher. Kevin's just finishing up getting the first part of the directions done, the mounting brackets for the next mount. So this was a kingpin, a mounting plate that bolted through the kingpin, top bracket, phase 2, here we come. Kevin got the drive hub on and set to our spacing, and now it's time for this bracket to go on. Hey, Daddy, it'll be over there.
Playing that short ball up
Okay, fun part. We're gonna lift these up, put them on the shaft, and bolt them up. Time to put the finishing touch on. Ooh, that's backwards. Haha, good thing I just looked at it. Kevin, don't want to put them on backwards. We're going to drive forward. Okay? Right there? Is that what you wanted?
No.
Go up?
Yeah. Straight up. Straight up. Alright, hold it. Yep. Good.
Well, phase 1 of 2 is complete. Got the front track system on. Still adjustments to make, but it has to be run down the road and kind of see what's heating up and make adjustments from there. Tomorrow, part 2. See you then. Oh, Dave, watch your head. Oh my God. All right, good morning, day 2. Well, day 3. Today's rear day. We're gonna get the tracks on the rear end. Boys are here checking it out, making sure that it's the coolest thing they ever seen before, and consensus is, Dave, what do you think?
I think the thingies are pretty cool.
Okay, other than the plastic, what do you think? Oh boy. Oh well. Alright, Kevin's got the tires off. Had to cut these bolts down here to make clearance for the brackets. Got those painted up. And Kevin's over here assembling the next bracket that mounts to the tractor. It's 60 degrees, sunny, and we have our t-shirts on inside the door. Maybe not outside, but beautiful weather. We haven't seen this in about 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Who's counting? Kevin says, ready, go on. What Kevin says is what Kevin gets. Whoa. I think I caught that on camera. Second time this bracket's gone for a ride, Kevin. I really hope I got this on camera. Why, so your dad doesn't pick on you? Cool. Alright, nobody died, luckily. Looks good, looks like it's on, and the bracket's way stronger than the floor. So that tells me right there it's made good. Okay, lunchtime. Kevin got the bracket bolted in, torqued down. Put these shims in here to space the axle. Sway bar brackets on. It attaches to where the drawbar went. Kevin took that out. So the drawbar piece will probably go back in here and get bolted back in. Pretty heavy duty. There's marks in the concrete where it fell. That's a heavy bracket right there. Alright, on to the next step. Oh, we're making good progress on the Soucy track install, but we have hit our first big snag on the project. There's no lug bolts in there. Going through the installation guide, they've told us to put those at 407 foot-pounds of torque. Stripped out about 9 out of 16. Looked at the manual, and it was supposed to be 251 on the case side, so they lied to us. Got new lug bolts ordered. Those should be here Tuesday. Get those in, and the rest of the project should be finished up. But really, considering how much work there is to do here, Kevin's done a great job. Have only hit a few snags, and that being a big one, but it's not the end of the world. Really is a pretty smooth install. And I'm talking for Kevin, who's the one who's been doing this. I've been a little bit of help. Got Bob here today. He's welding in the pans on the trailer, and that's coming together, looking great. Let's check it out. track project's gonna have to get finished up next week, and then hopefully by beginning of next week, Bob's gonna have those pans burned in there. We'll be able to load the sprayer up and see how that fits. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.